2, 1.
It's actually gold. So let's go film it.
I'm so confused. I'm still confused.
Yeah.
How the fuck did you get Sean to break windshield?
Well, that's just VFX. Wait, it got broken, but he just like ran into the car and then just like jumped. Today, I actually finished my UFT midterm finals pretty much for my first term that I had at UFT as a computer science student. Thankfully finished it. I just have my exams coming up, so I have this like 10 days break to really get my stuff together with YouTube and just build a foundation for this one. I'm gonna go to the dealership and I'm gonna have filming sessions with one of my clients, and by dealership I mean my client that I work with, which is called Yorkdale Fine Cars. Make sure to check out the reels. And today I'm gonna actually go film for them. It's gonna be a funny skit actually, because usually I like to come up with skits, these funny comedy pieces that people love. And of course, the last one I actually made went 4 million views, so it shows that people like resonate with my content. So it will be 2 videos that I'll be doing today, and I'm gonna walk you through everything that I do behind the scenes, how I plan my shots and what I do. I don't think I'll be able to pull off the first showing you guys everything, because it's a very important video for us, and it's just me on my take, and I'm just like filming. So I think it'll be a bit hard. So let's go, and I'll be back for editing. Let's go. All right, so we're here at the dealership, and it was like a long ride. I had to take Uber for the day. Damn, right? So yeah, let me just show you over here. So I have to go to my desk and just like set up stuff, and then I'll just like go and start filming, because we have a lot of stuff to do, pretty much. And if you don't know, I'm like a used car salesman as well at here. So I sell cars, just to let you know. So for the video, I've written like, you know, all the scripts and everything, and it's just time to go and shoot. Right now for the skits, I mainly use my phone that I have, and because it's just more optimized for social media. Basically the last skit we had, it went for like 4 million right now, and it's just, you know, crazy. We were just like wondering if we can like make another one that is just gonna blow up like this as well. So we finished filming pretty much, and it was pretty good. We had like this 1 hour period where I laughed a lot. To be honest, like the behind the scenes of these videos, it's just next level. It's actually very funny. Like if I had to like put a page and put like these behind the scenes, it would be sick. So we are at the editing part right now. I think the best part that I really like to call it. So as you can see, I use, you know, CapCut PC to edit this thing. The timeline is not that complicated, as opposed to like, it's very simple to be honest for these type of skits. But yeah, this was the video and I ended it very nicely. So usually I try to make the videos controversial, you know, like for example, just take into account like over here, like this is a person stereotype where they like greet each other for so long. So for example, take a look at this. To see you. Wow, you smell so nice. Yeah. So and it just goes on and on. So I don't have to really like explain on that side note. So I just posted a video an hour ago, and oh my god, 550 likes, 96 comments, plus 21,000 views just within the first hour. So just imagine like within a day or two how much that will be. So right now the time is to shoot the second video. So let's go back and do it. So the idea of the second video or the next video is about the slowest month of the dealership, where salespeople are just, you know, pretty much doing nothing and even like doing crazy stuff. So let's title this one POV. It's that time of the year. So I think the good idea would be like you guys first like playing ball in the showroom, then like Clash Royale. What do you think?
They're just playing catching.
Catch. One person playing Clash Royale, like Call of Duty on like multiplayer. Oh, don't kill me, something like this. Let's do it. I think it's good. The idea is nice. So we're planning to do this video that is like the month of the year, and then what salesmen do, POV, what salesmen do, like playing ball, playing Clash Royale, and doing stuff like that.
What I'm gonna do.
So I was thinking, so I have an idea. Have Subway Surfers in one screen, and then like have a game on the other screen.
How much was that? Like 5 grand?
The body? Well, initially 2 years ago that I bought it was like 4K, now it's like 2K the body. Lens was like 1500.
Let's do the dinosaur game. Because it's so nostalgic.
Yeah,
everyone knows what it is. Everybody knows that dinosaur game. No Wi-Fi.
Okay, go to the dinosaur game. It's not bad. Just search up online IO games. That's it. It's not that hard, bro.
Okay, Kaka, look, let me do it.
Put a Subway Surfers video.
How to stop this? But I'm gonna lose.
Put it here. I'm gonna lose. Like. Subway Surfers video.
Put something controversial on this side of the screen. They're gonna be like,
Oh yeah.
wait, what about this guy? Fucking da, 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 da.
Controversial. What is it?
Andrew Tate on the side or something.
Oh yeah, have Andrew Tate.
Yeah, my G.
My G. It's actually gold. So let's go film it. Yo, turn them.
Comment about bottom G.
Okay, ready? Okay, bro. I'm just gonna zoom in. Perfect. Okay, Mr. Naman, we have you. You have Clash of Clans or Clash Royale?
Yo, hold on, I gotta ask you something. I
Yeah.
was so confused, I'm still confused.
Yeah.
How the did you get Sean to
Yeah.
break a windshield?
Well, that's just VFX.
You did that?
Yeah. It's just
So the
VFX.
windshield's not broken?
No. Wait, it got broken, but he just like ran into the car and then just like jumped. The way that I like made it.
Yeah, it looks like he was fucking...
Yeah, that's
Bro,
just
that's
VFX.
insane.
Yeah.
Like, I swear, I was so confused.
But now with AI, like you can do it easily. Stranger Things. Okay, bro. No, Netflix or just do like this brain rot stuff. There you go. Tung tung sahur. On the shorts. Go to show. Yeah.
And then you want me to play on 5?
Huh? And then yeah, play Clash of Clans.
And do what?
No, put the tung.
That one?
That guy, and then have him play his Clash Royale.
All right, let's go. You ready? 2, 1. No, let's do a different thing. With the roof is good. Since you're going, I think it's gonna be nice.
No, but I should have my laptop with me. I'll sit on the roof.
It's gonna be tough because we have a ladder only. It's not gonna be like easy going up.
Oh.
Let me see if there is space down there.
Are you vlogging this?
Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, I have like 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So maybe
Post this shit? Working on
BTS working on a class like a viral video. Yo, it's cold, bro. Okay, go. I'll just be there. All right. Just come to the front. So this guy went onto the roof right now, and now we are going to see how we're gonna structure this video, to be honest, because that's like amazing. Oh, my jacket is not here. Okay, I'll see you. You can tell the weather in Toronto is simply crazy. It's cold. It is like it's sunny right now, but if you don't wear a jacket, you're cooked. 2, 1.
No, I don't want. I'm not doing that for you.
Filmed that one, but bro, it's so cold over here. Like it's incredibly cold. I'm just gonna sit down here to wait for this guy to come so we can do the video, right? Lighting is incredible here. The thing is, like, if you want to go viral on IG, like you really want to go viral, you have to be controversial. And by controversial, I mean like really controversial, and be able to tap into some audiences without like going too much. That's what I've been really successful at. Bro, look, why are you laughing, bro? Don't laugh. So, wait, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Bro, what the fuck was that? Bro. You guys should definitely play baseball. So here it was, we finished one clip, and it was easy, seamless, and I'm insanely tired. I was doing one video for video ideas, and then they came in, and it's just like all in all. So the videos that I took were from my phone pretty much, because I have my full camera over here with every accessory you can really think of on earth. Yeah, so you can see I just like took a lot of pretty much pictures and videos for today, and I actually, if you really take into account the photos that I took, is 3 videos that I took.